Thank you for inviting me for this job interview today. My name is Alif, and I would describe myself as an industrious and determined person who is a quick learner and always eager to improve my skills. When applying for this position, I am confident I have all the necessary attributes to excel in this role. Although I have no previous work experience, I am able to make up for this through my positive attitude to continuously improve myself and meet the expectations of my superiors and colleagues. If you hire me, I will work hard to repay your trust to invest in my talents, and I always seek to develop both personally and professionally in this position. I'm glad you asked me this question. As I understand it, you are looking for someone who has a bachelor's degree in computer science, and I have recently graduated with a first-class degree in software engineering. I am proficient in both web app development and mobile app development, and you can see my previous projects in the web portfolio. Additionally, I also have the knowledge of developing native mobile application using .NET MAUI and Xamarin Forms framework. Furthermore, I am also familiar with Java and SQL in my previous projects. You are also looking for someone who is creative, self-motivated, a good team player with self-discipline, and I believe I am fit for all of these criteria. I'm also proficient in English, and I have some basic communication skills in Mandarin as well. Lastly, I'm also familiar with JavaScript, and I have used some JavaScript frameworks in my project, namely React.js, and you can see them in my portfolio as well. Although I have not been in this situation before in the working environment, I have been in this exact situation during my studies in the university. At that time, a member of my team was constantly being dismissive to my suggestions during team meetings in order to complete an assignment given by the lecturer. Being someone who feels conflict is counterproductive to the team's performance as a whole, so I decided to tackle this conflict with a view to gaining a positive outcome. So after the meeting concluded, I went to ask him privately why he was being so dismissive to my opinions. I also gave him examples of what he had said during several meetings before, and I explained how this made me feel with a calm and a professional manner. He said that he had not been aware he had been doing this, and he apologized for acting the way that he had done. And from that day forwards, our relationship improved significantly, and we ended up working together in numerous projects without problem moving onwards.